This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shortcuts and creating a new shortcut straight away. This avoids wasted setup. Once done, tap Add Action and choose Apps to view available app-specific actions. Make sure to use the search field to type the app name, because some apps hide deeper actions. You pick either a simple open app action or a specific app action. This first choice decides how the shortcut will behave, so think whether you want to launch the app or trigger an in-app task. Next, configure the action so it does what you need. Adjust parameters like account, input type, or a specific target inside the app. Once configured, chain more actions, add scripting, wait, or if to control flow and handle conditions, because many tasks need sequencing. You can also use URL schemes or xcallback URL for apps that expose them. This lets you pass data back and forth. Make sure to add sensible timeouts or error checks. Finally, run the shortcut with the play button and observe each step. This confirms behavior and shows where to tweak parameters. Once satisfied, add it to the home screen or a widget, or assign a Siri phrase so you can trigger it hands-free. If you plan automation, make sure permissions allow background activity. If things go wrong, first check app permissions and background app refresh, then retry. Often a missing permission or an outdated app causes failures, so update or reinstall if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.